Hi, this is Tassie Pippert. Thank you to Atlantic Union Bank for supporting Tassie's Table. Atlantic Union Bank offers a range of financial solutions for consumers and businesses, including checking, savings, and lending. More about what they have to offer is available at atlanticunionbank.com or at a local branch. Do you ever have one of those days where you've got to get home really quickly, get dinner done because you've got a guest coming or you just need to get to a meeting? Well, do I have a recipe for you? This takes just a few things out of your refrigerator and you'll have dinner ready in no time. Today on Tassie's Table, it's creamy lemon chicken with pasta and broccolini. So let's get started. I've got a nice warm pan going right here and I want to add about 2 tablespoons of butter. And I'll just put that in and let it melt. I like to have a warm pan because then I get a lot of extra flavor from the butter. And I'm going to add to that 1 clove of garlic. Now I don't want that garlic to brown. What I'm really doing is trying to get just a little bit of color in the pan, but no color on that garlic, only golden. And then I'll add a cup of heavy cream. I just love this recipe. It's so easy, it's quick, and I can have dinner ready in no time at all. Now the next thing I want to do is add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice. And that's about a lemon. Now anytime you put citric acid into cream, it's going to immediately start to thicken. It curdles just a little bit, so you want to be stirring the whole time. Now the next thing we're going to do is add a little bit of Parmesan cheese. This is about 1/4 cup. And we'll just mix that through. Now I've already cooked my pasta, and the great thing is with pasta, you can cook it up to 5 days in advance, have it ready, and then it's in your fridge just ready to go in whatever recipe you'd like. So let's add that pasta. And then let's throw in 1 chicken breast that has been cooked and just cut into small pieces. You can see how fast it is, how easy it is, and it's really actually a very nutritious, though fatty, dish. It has meat, it has the pasta, it has cream, and it has vegetable in it. So just get that coated, and you can see how that farfalle picks up all of the cream sauce right down into the cracks. That's what you want. And then last, let's add a little broccolini in here. Now I just steamed this a little bit. You can blanch it or steam it. And if you don't have broccolini, you can use broccoli florets. You can also use peas in this, it's delicious. And any kind of a mixed green vegetable works great. Spinach also works. Now we've got that all stirred through, and it's actually ready at this point to serve. So let's serve it up in our bowl. So this makes 2 really nice sized servings. It's just a great, quick weeknight meal. It takes no more than 5 minutes to prepare. And wow, you can have a nutritious, delicious, and super easy to prepare recipe on your table in no time flat. So for this recipe and a lot more, I hope you'll join me again on Tassie's Table.